Classroom learning versus hands-on learning is basically theory versus practical. By practice, we bring out something new. By theory, we learn old tactics. Theory helps to learn from others' experiences. Practice is our own experience. By learning theory, we can get to learn from the experiences of thousands of billions of peoples. Once upon a time in a bustling village, there were two friends, Tom and Alex. They both had a keen interest in farming, and they decided to learn how to grow crops. Tom was drawn to theoretical learning. He spent hours reading books on farming techniques, attending lectures, and taking notes. He absorbed knowledge about soil types, seed varieties, and weather patterns. Alex, on the other hand, preferred a practical approach. He dug into the soil, planted seeds, and nurtured his crops. He observed the changing seasons and adjusted his methods accordingly. He learned he learned from experience. One day a sudden unexpected frost struck the village, threatening to destroy their crops. Tom, armed with theoretical knowledge, tried various remedies he had read about but could not save his crops. Alex, though less informed in theory, used his practical knowledge and quickly covered his crops, saving them from the frost's harm. The difference between two friends became evident. Tom excelled in knowing the science behind farming, but Alex's practical learning enabled him to adapt and thrive in real life situations. They learned that a balance of theory and practice was the key to mastering any skill, and from then on they combined their strengths to become successful farmers in their village. Initially, the friend who was using theoretical knowledge was doing much better. This is the difference between classroom learning and hands on approach, theory versus practical, and learning from yourself versus learning from others.